So commission is when we earn money in that we earn like a fraction of something we sell, okay, or a percentage of something we sell. So when real estate agents typically earn what they call percentage commission. Okay, so in this example, Kiki works as a real estate agent and she's paid only by commission. So what she earns is 3% of the value of the house that she sells. So last month she sold the house for $650,000. So we need to figure out her commission. So her commission is the amount that she will earn as her work in doing the sales of this house. So the way we work this out is just calculate a percentage. So we're going to use 650,000. Okay, we're going to times that by, in this case, we don't need 100% because we're not going to actually earn any of that. She's only going to take a portion of that or a fraction of that, which is 3%. So we're going to multiply by 3%. Okay, so we're going to end up with 650,000 times 0.03, and we end up with $19,500, which is pretty good. Okay, that's not bad day of work. So selling one house for 650,000, this person can earn $19,500. So this is how commission works. It's a percentage or proportion or fraction of the value of something they sell. So Samantha's paid partially with salary, so she earns $1,100 per month as salary, and then her commission rate is 4% on all her sales. So the $1,100 is separate from her commission. Her commission is based on how much she sells. So this 4% commission only applies to the amount she sells. Okay, so we're going to figure out her total earnings here. So we take our $2,800. We're going to calculate our 4%. We're going to use our decimal multiplier. 4%. Okay, so 4% of $2,800 is $112. So that is on top of her monthly salary. So her total earnings is going to be calculated this way. So partially from the fixed amount, $1,100. Okay, so I'll color that in blue. That's where that's coming from. And partially from the commission. Okay, and that's going to be this calculation here. Okay, that's based on commission. So our total earning works out to be, when we add those together, $1,212 in total earnings for that month. Okay, so a lot of people are paid just straight commissions. For example, the real estate example would be where they just only earn a commission or percentage of their sales, whereas other people can earn partly commission, partly sales. Okay, so partly fixed rate, so in this case $1,100, and partly a percentage commission, which is the 4% commission. Okay, so you got a computer salesperson. They earn 5% commission on what they sell. On average, a salesperson at Future Shop sells $20,000 worth of items per month and is earning only commissions and earning a steady wage of $8.50 per hour for a month. Okay, well, that's pretty low wages, but let's calculate this out. Okay, so let's do earning a steady wage. Okay, so we're going to use 100 hours, and we're going to do $8.50 per hour. Okay, so the hours are going to cancel out here. We're going to multiply this, and we're going to end up with $850. of earnings for the month. This is for 1 month. Okay, so we'll call that 2. Situation 1 is when they earn just commission, 5% commission. Okay, and they're going to earn 5% on the 20,000. So scenario 1 here is our commission. So we're going to calculate commission, so $20,000, and we're going to use our percentage commission, which is 5%. We're going to use our decimal multiplier here, and that's going to work out to $1,000 for the month. So for this particular scenario, this guy is going to earn more. It's going to be more here and less here. Okay, so we can do this commission calculation. It's just a percentage of what the total was. Here, this is a rate. Okay, we're going to get into rates later, but this is a rate, and we can use this rate with this multiplier of 100 hours to work out the total amount that way. Okay, now notice that there is some fractions and rates involved here. So the math is all times and divides, so it's very consistent. So we can calculate this fairly easily.